Hello! Welcome back to Feral Art, or welcome to Feral Art, whichever. My name is Kelly. If you're new here, I hope you'll stick around, hit the subscribe button, and give me a thumbs up and all the good Yubi-Tubi stuff. And today we have the Nate's Art Lab Collab edition. Our challenge this month was to take something that we usually do, that we feel comfortable with, and to change one thing. So today I have a 20 by 20 level 3 gallery wrapped artist block canvas, and my colors are Creative Inspirations Payne's Gray, Deco Art 24 Karat Gold, Extreme Sheen, Chroma Acryl White, and Amsterdam greenish blue. And we're going to be doing a ring pour. The difference is we're going to be doing it out of this Parmesan cheese can. Now, I've done a straight pour like this, but never a ring pour. So let's just get down here and get easy. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do here is layer our canister. Now, this size canvas should take a little over 14 ounces. So this is I think this is a 12-ounce jar. I think, maybe 16, I don't know. So we're gonna put a little white, gold, white, Payne's, greenish blue, there's our container. Put our lid on. Here we go. All right, so we're gonna pour out this side, which is not the side we loaded from, but it'll be all right. I have some slightly thinner gold, and we're gonna pour a puddle in the middle. All right. This is my baby spinner from Jessica Winterstone. I did add a little armature on it because this canvas is just almost too big, but not quite. So we're gonna open both sides. This side so I can breathe, and this side so we can pour. I'm gonna put this over here so I can lean. And we're just gonna do a ring pour and see what happens. do. Okay, we've got all of our corners. Yay. I'm gonna hit it, I'm gonna torch it one more time. And then I'm gonna spin it one more time. Okay, let's have a look. Oh, I like the fact that the middle isn't in the middle. I like that it's offset a little bit. I am going to go one more time because there's still quite a bit of paint on here. So let's just do that. Okay, I'm going to clean this up and then I will bring you in for a flyover. Okay, here are the wet results of my Parmesan ring pour. I can tell you that it is harder to control, and you know, because you've got 3 places where paint's coming out instead of 1. I like it. I think it's cool looking. It is far less organized than a ring pour coming out of a split cup or a regular cup, simply because you've got more places. Like, see this 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You know, just a lot of different stuff. But I think it's really pretty. Would I do it again? Yeah, sure. It is cool. My paints were not thick, but far from thin. As you can see, it was enough to keep the lines. We've got some pretty neat stuff going on here. Few cells, lots of lines, which was sort of my idea of a good time today. But all the colors are here. Now, granted, there were only 4 of them, but you can see them all pretty well represented in one place or another. I did not want to have a ton of gold. I did want to have some, and I do. So, life is good and holly jolly all the time. What do you think? What do you think? I think it's kind of cool. Sparklies. Should be no problem. There was plenty of gold in here to make sparklies. I just didn't want it to be completely gold. You know how that gold can be sometimes. It's kind of perchy. But we've got a plenty. And we've got lots of nice little sparklies and things of that nature. I like it. I think it's really pretty. Different. It is different. Look at all the depth in there. Look at that. That's cool. So yeah, our white, the chrome acryl did its little poof acryl thing. And I love Amsterdam greenish blue. And I forget about it so often. And then I'll think about it and I won't have that color palette going and I'll leave it over there. So I'm extremely happy to have gotten to use that today. So yeah, as you can see, sparklies, colors, lines, stuff, cool. I will see you when it is dry. Here are the dry results of my February Nate's Art Lab collab. The idea this time was to take a technique that we are familiar and comfortable with and change one thing. So I poured my ring pour out of a Parmesan cheese can. It was kind of fun. It does make a difference. You get more, like, you can kind of see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You get this sort of 1, 2, 3 business because it's coming out of 3 holes. So you end up with this like 3 in a row of things, which is pretty cool. I enjoyed it quite a bit. I liked it. Would I do it again? Absolutely. Does it work? Yes. How is it different? Well, it comes out of 3 holes instead of 1 pouring place. So you end up with more disruption, which is pretty cool, I think. So what do you think? You like it? I like it. Let me know in the comments what you think. And give me a thumbs up if you like this video. And yeah, leave me a comment. I'll get back to you. Subscribe if you haven't already, because we make lots of stuff around here. Just hit that bell and you'll know when I'm making new content. So thanks so much for coming along. And if you haven't joined Nate's Art Lab, you should, because we have fun in there. And the challenges are awesome. And I'm always in my light, as usual. And yeah, I will see you next time.